Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of how to fix Last Epoch's online play unavailable issue. Are you a Last Epoch player encountering the frustrating online play unavailable error? You are not alone. Many players have encountered this frustrating issue, but the good news is that there are several potential solutions to get you back into the game. Solution 1. Verify Last Epoch game files. Corrupted or missing game files can cause connectivity issues. Verifying the integrity of game files through your game client can help restore any problematic files and potentially fix the online play unavailable error. Launch Steam or the game client you use to play Last Epoch. Navigate to your library, find Last Epoch, and right-click on it. Select Properties, then under the Local Files tab, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Allow the process to complete, then restart Last Epoch and check if the issue is resolved. Solution 2. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Your firewall or antivirus software might be blocking Last Epoch from accessing the internet. Adjusting these settings can help resolve the online play unavailable error. Follow the on-screen instructions to adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Solution 3. Play in offline mode. If the online players are down, playing in offline mode can be a temporary solution until the issue is resolved. This allows you to enjoy the game without needing an online connection. Start Last Epoch and wait for the launcher to appear. Choose the option to play offline under the region and chat language section. Solution 4. Contact Last Epoch support. If none of the above solutions work, it may be time to reach out to the Last Epoch support team for assistance. They can provide more detailed troubleshooting steps and resolve issues specific to your account or setup. These are some simple troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to follow, subscribe, and share. We'll catch you up in the next video. Goodbye.